Hey there, option informants. Welcome to another recap video on August 26, 2020. I'm Informant Ed. There's a few things to cover today, mainly the markets, our performance, and back ratios for those who are curious. And as you can see, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq have hit an all-time high, and we have entered uncharted territory. So pay attention to your trades, pay attention to our alerts. We are approaching the end of the month, and we do have a job report coming out next week, September 4th. So where we don't like to trade the news, we've been burnt before on just the labor release. So stay tuned, pay attention to the Discord, and let's keep riding this wave. In terms of performance, on our day trading itself, looks like we're up $311 in 3 days so far this week. And additionally, today so far, based on the alerts, we're up $868. Today was an extremely profitable day. I hope you partook in some of that and left with some green. Now, they want to talk about back ratios a little bit, and I do plan to release a better segment in the future. But as you can see here in my portfolio itself, I actually have two back ratios, one on the QQQ and one on the IWM. Now, the reason Joe and I like to take these out from time to time, it's fantastic insurance. So as you can see here from our analysis, the idea behind this is if the markets do turn and go south on us, and as you can see here, we're sitting at 155. You can see based on the feel, our profitability just increases with time. So this helps hedge against some of our positions, especially if we're going long and bullish on the majority of our calls, since the market has a tendency of always going up. Now you can see this, this down peak down here where our max loss could be 1400. But we exited this position way before we reach such a date. As you can see, this expires in November, and as we get through September and October, this starts to sag downward. But again, even if we see increase in volatility, then that works in our favor. So again, we'll release a better segment on this. But for those curious, usually we look to put these out, 90 to 120 days out. You can go a little further than that, up to 150. And essentially what you're looking for is to sell a put. So you're selling one put at a 50 delta, but you're buying two puts between 30 to 35 delta. Again, I'll post a better video in the future, but for now, this is one of those concepts that we utilize from time to time. We are prepping this information for our channel in some type of ebook format, all the different types of strategies. If you watched our call-up video, some of those are in there. But again, we plan to release that for our subscribers hopefully as soon as it's ready. And see you guys on the trading floor. Have a good evening.